Hi, everyone. Welcome to the 2018 Premier International Women's Business Systems Virtual Summit. And I'm super, super excited that you are here for day one. So a couple of things I want to call to your attention. As you scroll down through the speaker page, you're going to find a number of different links. So not only are you going to have access to the link that takes you over to the All Access Pass, we've been talking about that the whole time, but you're also going to see additional links below your speaker's video. Now, these are a number of different things. Not only have I placed all of the links that the speaker provided, their freebie, their social media channels, things like that, but I've also added on some of the speakers, I've added something that will help you to get through that phase of your business. So whether it is a book that I've read or, a journal that I've used or another different type of product that I've used, these are all things that as I was going through that phase of my business, I actually utilized. And so I wanted to give you guys those things because I think, I'm a firm believer in empowerment, as you all know. And sometimes we find empowerment through a book, a tool, a product, a service, something else that allows us to get the job done. And that's my goal for you guys, that inside this summit, you get to hear all about the systems that our speakers are using to get things done. And I want you getting things done as well. So as you go down through this page, or each of these pages, you are going to see some additional links underneath each speaker's video. So take a moment and check out those, get to know them, figure out whether or not those are additional tools, products, or services that you want to add to your arsenal of tools so you can get the job done. So excited to have you guys here. Cannot wait to dive into day one. Wow, it's already here. I'm so excited. All right, guys, I will see you inside the summit. Bye, everyone.